Alrighty. The 19th of September 2025. Cartersville, Georgia. 3-engine locomotive headed south. Or three locomotive engine train headed south from right to left. We were trying to get our phone camera set up orientation horizontal to do live video, and the train comes by, so we'll have us a train. Won't be on the phone. We're charging 2 other phones. It's taking forever. If you're going to video with phones, 1 phone's not enough. I've got to have 3. If I'm using phones instead of the cameras, I've got to have 3 phones, and it still can't keep all of them charged up right. Please like, share, and subscribe. We need the viewers, the watch hours, the views, subscribers. We need it all. We need it bad. This is a 3-engine locomotive, or 3 locomotive train. I doubt it'll be a mid-engine, but I don't know that much about these train stuff, so I'm just guessing at that. Yes, I'm not sure if I've got this figured out right or not on this live stuff. I know the last one wasn't right. Slowing down a little bit, isn't it? Yeah, we got to get this live thing figured out. We need to start doing more of that. Well, I guess this thing, the first one, I guess may be right. Looks like it's doing horizontal. I don't know, folks. Both these other phones, though, still have a ways to go before they are updated. Got one at 79%, one at 85%. And you can't hardly video and charge or upload and charge at the same time. It gets these phones too hot. No, this other one is not right either. It's vertical. If you watch it on your phone, you can turn it sideways, but well, now that's got it. You know, I don't know. I can't tell you. I'll have to check it out on the computer and see what it does. Look at all that Amazon stuff. Look at all of that Amazon stuff. I wonder where that's coming from or going to. That's headed south. Years ago, we used to get caught at the train and count the cars. You used to try to beat the train across the tracks. Now I try to stop and get video of them. We're going to see about getting a, while we're up here in Cartersville, cat sitting Mr. Cat, Zach the Cat. We're going to we plan on getting a T-Mobile hotspot and trying it out in some of these areas where we don't have any reception. And also, if that works out good, we may think about getting one phone line with T-Mobile and cutting one of our Verizon lines. Maybe even getting a new S25 Plus, but we'll see. We'll see how all that stuff goes. We'll be up here until Sunday week. Like I said, this is Friday. It's about 63, 65 degrees. Going to mid-80s. Back down to the 60s again tonight. Yeah, double stack. Pacer stack train. they load those both at one time or one at a time? Be interesting to see that unloaded, wouldn't it? Loaded and unloaded. Here comes more Amazon stuff. See, we're right here in downtown Cartersville. You can see the old courthouse over there, or either that's the old church. I'm not sure which it is. Looking north, seeing the bridge up there. Frozen Food Express. Turning south. The depot's right across the tracks from us over there. My daughter's internet should be pretty fast for us. We should be able to get stuff uploaded this week pretty good. I don't see us staying out at night. One night we could leave out, you know, late after we take care of Mr. Cat and get back the next morning, but probably not. We'll be able to explore enough where we probably won't do that. Then when they get back, we may take off up north if the van's holding up, doing good. We want to get up to Rome, Somerville, Lafayette, Calhoun, maybe Dalton. We want to get on up there and get a bunch of stuff done, explore some more stuff, get back to Johns Mountain and the wildlife management area, back to the creek and stuff. Okay, well there's the end of the train right there. So we're going to hook up another live camera, see how that works. Okay, we'll turn this off and it'll be a wrap.